What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily market update. In this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin. Are we crashing? We're quite bearish right now. What does that mean? Are we going to turn super bearish again, etc.? That's probably the main topic of this video because we're falling down quite hard right now, and I might even call this video some sort of a crash warning. Because it is true, and we've talked about this, the volume in the markets is very low right now. So what that means is that if any big whale, whatever, decides to sell, that has a huge price impact. So we'll talk about that. We'll also cover some news really quickly, and then I'll tell you which cryptos I think are worth it to keep an eye on. Now, I quickly do want to say two things. First of all, I would not trade any crypto, at least not buy it if Bitcoin is going to be bearish right here, and we are on the verge of turning bearish. I'm not telling you that we are going to be bearish, but I do think that some crucial levels, or at least we are hitting some crucial support levels right now. So yeah, in general, I'll tell you about some cryptos, but Bitcoin is the main crypto to watch. All right, so first of all, by the way, let me know what you think of this concept. All right, right now, last 3-4 days, I've done a market update like this, basically going over what's going on in the market, news, cryptos, rallies, etc. I think it's very valuable. I hope most of you like it, but let me know down in the comments as well what you think. So first of all, the news. There's two things that I wanted to talk about. First of all, what happened with Hedera yesterday. I wouldn't necessarily call it fake news, but the news was misinterpreted by a lot of the markets. So what you see is that HBAR did a huge rally because people thought that Blackrock worked together with HBAR, including myself. But it's not true. Blackrock has a money market fund which you can invest in, and what Hedera has done is that with a partner, they have put that MMF money market fund on Hedera. All right. So is it good news? Yes, but not so good. All right. So that's why we had the massive pump, because BlackRock news is super bullish, but also the drop we're seeing right now. But like I said, long term, still good news. All right. And then apart from that, what we saw with CZ, that maybe he has to go to jail 3 years. This is what the Department of Justice wants, all right? It's not necessarily what he'll get. If he does get that, I don't think it's deserved, but there are some things that were quite shady with Binance, so we'll see. Doesn't really have an effect on the market, I would say. All right, so to talk about Bitcoin, main level, 65,000. That is the main level, all right? If we zoom out, we have lost a channel, all right? So purely on the 1 hour time frame, we're not no longer as bullish as we were. But if you zoom out to the daily and the 3-day time frame right here, you can see that level around 65,000 is a very respected level. You could say it's like 65 down to 64,000, and I kind of agree with that's the main level we need to hold. Very respected. Also has the 50 EMA right there. That is just the main level, right? Also, if you look at the 3-day time frame, we got a lot of reactions from that level. This is the main level that needs to hold. And we will see today whether we can hold it or not. If we break down below that level, we're going to be bearish again. Unfortunately, all right? But we have to assume that. Because if we break down below 64,000 here, on the daily time frame, I would wait for the daily close. Then that's such a bearish breakout. There might even be some news going on right now that we have to assume that we're going to be bearish. You can also see the momentum is dropping down quite a bit. There's even more spot selling. Spot selling already started yesterday. So it's worrying. We're not bearish yet. I would say technically we are still bullish. But this is 100% worrying. All right. So keep your eyes on that level. If we can hold that, and if we can get some sort of a bounce back up to above 66,000, then I would say, so something like this, then I would say we're good, and we can actually rally back up to 68 and 69,000 and be bullish. But really wait for that reaction. All right. If we're going to be bullish, we need to see the open interest increase pretty quickly, because if we don't, if we just keep dropping, there's no momentum increase, and we drop down below 65 and 64,000 in the next 24 hours, we're going to fall down lower, and we're going to be bearish short term again. So that's the main thing to watch, all right? Now, like I said, if you want to look at some cryptos that are doing good right now, cryptos that will probably perform well, are cryptos that were already performing well. So that's Maker was close to getting a breakout. Celestia was close to getting a breakout. Metal, MTL, had a bit of a scam rally potential. So that could still happen, even if Bitcoin is bearish. So keep your eyes on that. Reserve Rights was close to a breakout. Phantom was close to a breakout. Book of Meme or BOEM was close to a breakout. So those are the main cryptos I would watch if Bitcoin finds support, if Bitcoin regains momentum. If we don't, which, like I said, right now the bearish pressure is quite strong, then I just wouldn't trade at all. All right, so that's what I wanted to talk about for now. Like I said, we're not bearish yet, but we do need to get a strong reaction from this level if we want to stay bullish. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.